The future continuous tense describes an action that will be happening at a certain moment in the future. For example, the sentence, "I will be working tomorrow at 10 a.m." means the action of working will already be in progress at that future time. It shows that something will continue for a duration. This tense helps make your speech sound more natural and complete when talking about future events that are ongoing. The structure of the future continuous tense is simple. It is formed by using the subject, followed by will be, and then the verb with an ing ending. For example, I will be working or she will be studying. The key words here are will be plus the verb ending in ing. This combination tells us that the action will be happening continuously in the future. Let us look at some examples to understand it better. I will be working on my project tomorrow morning. She will be studying at the library this evening. They will be traveling to London next week. And he will be watching a movie at that time. In all these examples, the actions are not just future, they are continuing over a period of time in the future. The future continuous tense is used in 4 main ways. First, to describe an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future, such as, at 8 p.m., I will be having dinner. Second, to make predictions about what someone will probably be doing, for example, she will be driving to work at that time. Third, to ask politely about plans, for instance, will you be joining us for lunch tomorrow? And fourth, to describe 2 future activities happening at the same time, like, I will be cooking while he will be cleaning. To form the future continuous tense, remember it follows the pattern: subject, will be, and the verb with ing. For example, I will be studying, they will be working, and he will be traveling. The auxiliary verbs will and be act as helpers, and the main verb takes the ing form. This structure makes it easy to express actions that are happening over time in the future. We often use the future continuous to describe background actions that set the scene in a future situation. For example, tomorrow at this time, I will be flying to Paris shows what will be happening at a specific hour in the future. Another example is, they will be working in the new office next month. It describes a continuing activity that takes place during a future time frame. Common time expressions in the future continuous tense include phrases such as at 5 p.m., this time tomorrow, next week, and in the evening. These help to show when the future action will be in progress. For example, at 5 p.m. tomorrow, I will be meeting my manager, tells us exactly when the action will be happening in the future. Learners often make small mistakes with this tense. Remember, we must say, I will be working tomorrow, and not, I will working tomorrow. In the same way, we must say, she will be studying at 6 p.m., not, she will studying at 6 p.m. The words will be are essential to form the future continuous correctly. Always include both before adding the verb with ing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.